My life, it's fucked.
Fine, I guess you are my little
Champ.
Come here.
No, delete that. No, no one, and I mean none of you are my little PogChamp. I would rather stab you in the knife stab you in the neck with a knife past 9 p.m. GMT in a London alleyway than call you my little PogChamp. I will hit you.
Why do you put Technoblade in the thumbnail?
Here's the thing. When you only have 100,000 subscribers and your best friend, has 1 million, it would be kind of dumb of you not to abuse his fame for personal gain. Wouldn't you agree?
No. Bye.
No, I think he agrees.
From the east to west. That bitch never takes the Lord's name up in vain. So why she saying Jesus, yes? Wait, she actually says that? Oh. Hold up, I'm beaming, yeah. When your bitch see me up on the stage, you know she's screaming, yeah. She know this.
No more Fortnite! No more cars! No more $19 cars! No more trolls!
Guys, what if when I get older I die?
Sometimes you do, yeah. But that is something that happens.
Not really.
What do you mean, not really?
I don't want to go.
What, you fucking Doctor Who? Fucking die, mate. It's fine. Everyone dies.
Just die, mate.
How many people watching this video right now don't know about death?
Not many.
5, 4, 3, 2.
De la chingada madre, vas a escuchar, hijo.
Horny as a middle school boy. Mom, Dream keeps killing me. I just killed all of them. This is the prettiest voice I've ever met.
Daddy, chill.
My dog under a log. Hello, Eric. From the start, I just wanna cuddle with Dream, dude. You're pissing me off. See you soon. Bye.
Can't remember, but it's alright. Just damn, gonna be okay. Gotta do nothing, just damn. It's a record thing. It started with the hay, lost a creaking. Well, it just started in the hay. With this long jump.
My day could never be this productive. I mean, it's not really.
So this is a one-of-a-kind piece.
Cool for a second. We were having such cool moments, and then... You good? Okay.
Good morning. I just wanted to say that.
Roderick, can you explain what you're doing in this photo?
That's not me.
That's not you?